How to make a video recording of your iPad screen. This video shows how to record your iPad or smartphone screen two ways: by using a video camera or by using the Reflector 2 screen mirroring app to record the iPad screen from your PC desktop. You are watching a Tom's Tech Notes video. If you like this video, please wait until you are finished watching it, then click my name, Thomas Wallace, to visit my channel page. A welcome video will play to describe my other videos. In this video, I use an iPad 2, a Windows 10 PC. The PC is actually below the desktop. This is just the monitor. The Reflector 2 iPad mirroring program, which is running right now. The Canon EOS utility for remote viewing through my DSLR. The Debut video capture software. And a boom-mounted Blue Yeti USB stereo microphone. To record your iPad screen with a video camera, mount the camera on a tripod and position it so the device display fills the camera's view. A zoom lens is helpful. Adjust the room lights, camera exposure settings, and iPad screen brightness, then make several test snapshots or videos until you like the way it looks. A DSLR's preview feature makes adjustments much easier. If you want to record an external keypad with the iPad, make tests with that setup. When making your final video, record the narration simultaneously with the camera's built-in microphone and using voice recorder on your PC. Then replace and synchronize the audio from the PC with the video from the camera. That's described in reference 1 at the end of this video. The following example is from my tutorial on the Teleprompt app for the iPad. The keypad control keys are: the space bar pauses and resumes scrolling. The up-down keys speed up or slow down scrolling. That's the end of the example. You must record the iPad with a camera when you want to show app entries made on an external keyboard, but the camera adjustments and audio sync steps required make recording the iPad with a camera fairly complicated. To record with the Reflector 2 screen mirroring app, both the computer and the iPad must be connected to the same network. The iPad will use its Wi-Fi. Check reference 2 for the address of where to download that program. The first time you use Reflector 2, open it from a shortcut, click the Settings gear wheel and Preferences. Make sure the settings are set the way you need them. They probably will be. That's the name of your computer. You can set this to always. You don't necessarily want it to always be on top, and you probably don't want to show the quick connect window. This is just standard stuff that you really don't need to change. You will want to connect and show device. It'll label the device on the screen it's mirroring to. Everything else, you probably don't want to display full screen. Recording, best for single device if you're just going to mirror from a single device. 30 and high, they're fine. You can leave these alone. You probably don't want to launch the mirroring when you log on to your computer. One thing you probably want to do on this screen is to set your microphone. If you are going to record from a microphone, this should show the microphones you have connected and enabled. I'm using the Blue Yeti stereo microphone. It is a USB mic. So I'll go ahead and select it. Click elsewhere to make the screen vanish. Once Reflector 2 is running on the PC, you're ready to start mirroring. You do that from the iPad. Drag the control window up from the bottom of the screen. Click the button that says AirPlay, and you'll only see that button if you are executing Reflector 2 on the PC. Press the name of your computer. If the mirroring button is not on, slide it to the right to turn it on, and then it will start mirroring the display. Press the iPad screen twice to make the two pop-ups go away. Now you're ready to do whatever you want on the iPad, and it will be repeated on your PC. There is a slight delay from motion on the iPad to motion on the mirror display, but it's only like a second or less, so it probably wouldn't disturb any narration you wanted to do. To stop mirroring, right-click the PC mirror display, click Close Connection. That does not stop the Reflect 2 from executing. You could start it again from the iPad. If you want to stop Reflector 2 from executing, click it on the system tray, click Settings, and click Quit Reflector 2. If you want to record what you're mirroring, you can use the Debut program. That seems to work fine for recording the mirrored display from your iPad. Some of the other screen recording programs may not work for the Reflector 2 mirror display. I do suggest the Debut video capture software that you adjust the recording area to cover the iPad screen and to have a 16:9 aspect ratio. Reference 3 will show you where to find that information. And you should remember that when you're using a screen recorder app, you can use the PC's cursor to point to things that you're describing in your recording. So if I were describing the Skyview app, I would point to it with the cursor, or Netflix. Remember though, when you're controlling an app, you can point to what you're going to touch on the PC screen, but you have to actually touch it on the iPad screen to get the thing to work. And at first I made that mistake a few times. Now when you're recording this way from a screen capture, you don't have to worry about synchronizing the video and audio because you're recording them at the same time on the same device. So it's a little simpler than it is when you're using a video camera to do your recording. Here are the references referred to in the video. My YouTube channel, here's the URL for it. If you open that channel, you'll be able to find the playlists that are described in the references. Reference 1, to sync video that's recorded on your camera with audio recorded on the computer, see the video, how to add high quality audio to your home videos, in playlist, how to record videos. To install Reflector 2, go to the URL for AirSquirrels, which is shown here. To use the Debut video capture software from NCH Software, see video, record videos with Debut, in playlist, how to record video tutorials. Limitations of Reflector 2. It will usually disconnect when mirroring a video that is playing in a browser window, such as a YouTube video. It will occasionally disconnect when a pop-up is closed in an app that is being mirrored. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please click my name, Thomas Wallace, to visit my channel page to watch my other videos.